Welcome to another video, guys. Josh and I have just finished what has been an absolute epic ride. We've just spent 3 days in the New South Wales high country and the weather forecast was horrible, but so glad we did this one. Have a look around. We've had snow, we've ridden with the brumbies, we've seen wild boars, heaps of historic old huts, just a cracking weekend. So let's go back to the start where you'll see me putting on way too many clothes for the start of this ride, but it's a good one. Enjoy. All right, we're down here at Long Plain and we've got another bike packing trip. It's a cold one this weekend, really cold, potential for snow. So back on the rally again, and I'm loaded with heaps of warm gear because I want to stay comfortable. I've got Josh with me today, back on his Specialized. So let's go freeze our ass off, eh?
You ready? Can't wait to eat those chips. So the weather forecast for this trip is very average. It's forecast to be windy, rainy, chance of snow. I've decided to wear my snowboard jacket, which might be a silly idea, might be a good idea, I don't know, but it's pretty nice at the moment, so see how we go. Might have to take it off soon. Turns out wearing a snowboard jacket wasn't the smartest idea. I am burning up. Quick stop to take the jackets off. There's some dark clouds up there. Check out the open plains. It's kind of nice riding out here in winter because it's just beautiful. What's that? Well, that was pretty cool. We just saw our first brumbies of the trip. Hopefully we see some that are a bit closer. Well, this one is Hainsworth Hut. Pretty cool, rustic old hut. Moving on. Ooh. That's the first time I've seen a wild pig or boar. Crazy. They run at you, don't they? I'm getting a knife in my pocket. Descending! That hill was sick! They didn't want to put their windows down. Too cold. Old Kosciuszko Hut. Well, that one wasn't on my map. I think we go and have a look. It's only 3 kilometres return. I wonder what it's like. Guess there's only one way to find out. This is a heaps nice little hut. I've just stumbled across the old Kosciuszko Hut. I didn't even know this one existed, but it's a historic hut and
in all of Kosci and all of our rides we've done. It's got to be one of my favourites. It looks awesome. And we're off again. Hello, horsies. Oh, this headwind's a killer. I see a hut.
Here is your country, cherish these natural wonders, cherish the history and romance as a sacred heritage for your children and your children's children. Do not let selfish men or greedy interests skin your country of its beauty, its riches or its romance. Signed, Scotty, Scott and Walkabouts. You, Scotty!
Next stop, Blue Waterholes. This place is just so beautiful and the weather's actually been really good. I'm loving it. Cool. Cut them off. It's just so awesome. Yeah. So pumped. Oh. This trip's up there, I'm telling you. What a great spot. Blue Waterholes Trail. Yeah, you just drop into like a different landscape. Yeah, that's bad. Yep. Pushing up this one for sure.
Bon appetit.
Alright, it's Saturday. Today could be an interesting one. Started raining about 2 o'clock this morning. The plan is to go look through some of these canyons. Yeah, it's windy, raining, but anyway, we're going to put our jackets on, put some shorts on and just get out there anyway and see what it's like. So hopefully we don't freeze our butts off, but see how we go. Puking. Well, the rain stopped and it's actually starting to snow. I'd much prefer snow than rain. This is sick. Well, the snow stopped, the rain stopped. It's time to go explore Clarkes Canyon. That's Clarkes Gorge behind me. Super keen to check this one out. Let's go have a look. Sick. Oh, hectic. So very cool. Oh. Snowing. This is so good. Oh, it is dumping. This is ridiculous. How good is this? It is. Did you bring your snowboard? Bloody hell. It is. Oh, this is so good. I don't know if I could ever be happier. Like, I just love this shit. Oh, how good is the snow? Alright, we've just packed up camp from night one. What a great time we've had here. We're going to try and head to a high altitude and maybe find some more snow and try and find a hut to camp in, so should be good. Let's hit the trails. Got a bit of snow on the side of the trucks. This is what I came here for, pushing bikes up hills. Well, we've made it to our next campsite and it's covered in snow. We might continue down to a hut, I think. It'll be pretty miserable up here. As much as I want to camp in the snow, everything's so wet and muddy. It's cool though.
Left!
I wonder what people think when they see us out here.
Yeah, idiots. Sloppy. Yeah.
Alright, we've found our second camp option. Still a bit of snow around, but this is going to do. It's a sick little spot. Well, this is supposed to be a 4-season tent. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, it's cold.
They are good, aren't they?
It's cold. Well, good morning. We survived the night. Just, I think. Pretty cold one, but I was super rugged up, so I was alright there. At about 2 o'clock in the morning, we had some brumbies just like running around. You could hear the thump, thump, thump. I thought they were going to trample us. It was pretty scary, so didn't get much sleep after that. Not long later, Josh actually woke up and was sick, so he's still in bed now. Anyway, it is the morning and we're alive. Alright, that's it. That's the end of the journey. We're just leaving the last hut with a short 10-kilometre ride back. Alright, what I was going to say before the GoPro cut off, just a short little ride today. It was about 12 kilometres back to the car. We made it and it's covered in snow, but that's the end of our trip, so we're going to wrap it up now. Look at my bloody car. Oh. Wow, that's insane. Actually, one last thing we might do is go check out the thermal pools at Yarrangobilly Caves. Hopefully they're toasty and warm. We're going to go for a quick swim, maybe, and we'll see you on the next one. Well, after a 3-day long ride, what a great spot to wash off.